Hey Calculus AB students, it's Mr. Guzik. Hey, let's take a look at page 196, problem 54. We're given all these clues about a function and we want to sketch the function. Let's remember that if the clues are about a function like these, they're actual points on the function, on the graph. If we're given clues about the derivative, which are these next three clues, they're about the slope, or whether a function's increasing or decreasing. And if we're given a clue about the concavity, that has to do with the second derivative. The second derivative is about concavity, concave up or concave down. So let's look at the first clue. It says f of 0 is the same or equal to f of 2, and they both equal 0. Well, this is just saying when the x value is 0, or the x value is 2 on a function, the y value you get is 0. So those are points 0, 0, and 2, 0. Those points are on the graph of f. Now this is the graph of f we're sketching, so now it tells us about the slopes of f. The next clue says the derivative, or the slope, is greater than 0 or positive for x values less than 1. So we know we're going to have a positive slope going uphill until we get to 1. We'll stop there, and then we'll read the next clue. So there's a positive slope. We did have to go through that point that it said was on the function from clue 1. The next clue says the derivative at 1, f prime of 1, equals 0. That seems important. In fact, it's critical. Right at 0, we got to flatten out, have no slope. Okay, and then after that, the third clue says if the derivative is less than 0 or negative, the slope is negative for x values greater than 1. Here's the x values greater than 1. We got to be going downhill or have a decreasing function. Okay, so it looks like we got that for our function f. Let's now read the last clue, see if that makes sense. The last clue is about concavity. It says the second derivative is less than 0. That must mean for the whole function. It doesn't give us any x values. Well, second derivative less than 0 means it's concave down. Let's look and see if that's true on our graph. It is another case of math making sense. Okay, everybody, finish up that homework. Try hard on it. Don't give up. Be tenacious. See you tomorrow.